Hello everyone, a big welcome to all of you. In this video, we will cover part 1 of banking and financial awareness for the month of January. This will be a continuous monthly MCQ series divided into 4 parts. I have uploaded all the videos in the playlist section of my channel. This will be a regular series for SBI Junior Associate, SBI Probationary Officers, IBPS exams, RRB exams, RBI Grade B Prelims, RBI Assistant Mains exam. So we will cover banking and financial awareness monthly series in 4 parts. Each part will have around 8 to 12 MCQs, and overall we will cover 50 plus MCQs for each month, which will be divided across 4 parts. So the weightage of banking and financial awareness section in banking exams: in SBI IBPS RBI Assistant Mains exam, around 15 plus questions appear from this section, and in RBI Grade B Prelims exam, around 25 plus questions appear from banking and financial awareness section. So indeed this is a very important section. You need to cover this section if you want to have a good score in GA section. So before covering the MCQs, I will give you a brief background of banking sector mergers and the bank headquarters. So Oriental Bank of Commerce and Union Bank of India are merged into PNB. Syndicate has merged into Canara Bank. Allahabad merged into Indian Bank. Dena and Vijaya merged into Bank of Baroda. So the headquarters: if any bank name contains Bank of India in its name, their headquarters is in Mumbai. For example, banks like Bank of India, Central Bank of India, IDBI, SBI, UBI, RBI, SEBI, all these institutions have their headquarters in Mumbai except Dena Bank. Dena Bank does not contain Bank of India in its name, so you just have to remember this exception. If any bank name starts with Indian, their headquarters is in Chennai. If any bank name starts with Punjab, their headquarters, like Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, their headquarters falls in New Delhi. If any bank name starts with Indian, their headquarters is in Chennai. If any bank name starts with United, their headquarters is in Kolkata, like United Bank of India. So this is a shortcut technique by which you can easily remember the headquarters. This will help you in statics section. So let's start with the MCQ series for the month of January, part 1. So Dash has collaboration with Indian Oil Corporation Limited to provide contactless card for fuel purchase. So which bank has collaborated with IOCL to provide contactless card for fuel purchase? The bank is SBI. SBI IOCL contactless card. SBI IOCL. Which of the following was the credit card launched by Axis Bank to provide health and wellness benefits to its customers? So Axis Bank has launched a credit card which provides health and wellness benefits. So the name of the credit card is Aura. You can remember it easily. Axis starts with A and Aura also starts with A. AA. And this is the image of that credit card. So you can easily remember it by its photo and also the name, acronym. Axis A, Aura A. Next question. Which bank signed an MOU with Indian Army to provide service account with the name Shaurya Salary Account? So which bank has signed an MOU with Indian Army, and that bank is Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank has signed an MOU with Indian Army to provide the service with the name Shaurya Salary Account. Next question. What was the predicted gross non-performing assets predicted by September 2021 as per 22nd Biannual Financial Stability Report FSR of RBI? So, what is going to be the predicted gross NPA? So, you can easily remember 13.5%. So, there is nothing to understand in this. You just have to memorize it. 13.5% is the predicted gross NPA. And the report is Financial Stability Report FSR, which is a biannual report of RBI. Next question. Which bank partnered with RuPay to launch RuPay point of sale to transform smartphones into merchant point of sale terminals? So RBL has collaborated with RuPay for merchant point of sale terminals. RBL RuPay. The tagline of RBL Bank is Apno Ka Bank. Important question for static. RBL Bank, Apno Ka Bank, and collaborated with RuPay. Next question. What was the base year set by RBI for Digital Payments Index? The base year is 2018. So all the future calculations as far as digital payments is concerned, it will be taken by considering 2018 as the reference point. So 2018 is the base year set by RBI. Next question. International Financial Services Centers Authority IFSCA has become an associate member of IOSCO, International Organization of Securities Commission. Is the full form of IOSCO. Next question. Dash has signed 2 loan agreements worth $646 million with Government of India and Government of Andhra Pradesh. And that body is New Development Bank. New Development Bank, 2 loan agreement, $646 million with Government of India and Andhra Pradesh. So this was the first of the 4 series for the month of January. So I have divided all banking and financial affairs awareness videos into 4 parts. So this is the first part, and this series will continue till the month of December, where probably IBPS mains exam will happen, and meet you in the next part of this video. That will be part 2 of January month. Till then, goodbye.